Hello YouTube, this is Lisa. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. I am doing great. It is Sunday, August 6th, and we had some really bad storms last night and high winds. And I just want to take you around to let you see what has happened to my garden. And so just hold your breath. Take a deep breath. Okay, so these are those cherry tomatoes. And we had gotten a bad storm back in June, and these took a hit then, and so they're laying over now. And I had thought about yesterday while I was out here just going ahead and take these out, but they had so many, tomatoes on here and flowers and everything. I'm going to let them stay, but they are laying over completely. And what I'm thinking is the wind came from that direction, the way everything is laying this way. But if these had not been in high wind storms, even back last month or June, I think these will probably be about at least 6.5, 7 feet tall. But they're not. They're just laying down like that. But anyway, I'm going to take you around to this wooden bed. See, I'm off my patio. Do you remember the cucumbers that was growing right there? Now they are right there. And that tomato plant, the tomato plant is right there. It's right there. But it's under the cucumber plant. The winds ripped the cucumbers out of the soil. Ripped them out. And I was thinking yesterday that I'll take these out because the cucumbers look funny, but it took the trellis and pulled it over. Those are the cucumbers right there on the ground. Let's stay hard. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take that out. I had that trellis screwed into this bed, and it has just tore my bed up right there. This storm didn't do that. It was another one that did that. But it's just, this was my first garden bed, so I think it's because on the other side it's bulging out too. But can you see the winds, the elements of the earth, wind, and fire? Wind is a powerful element, you all. It is. It can take things out. It blew my shed away before. But that wind can really do some powerful things. These are those tomatoes. Look, they're just laying over. They were laying over anyway before from those other winds from June and July. But they are laying down again. That early girl, she's laying down because she has so many tomatoes on her. She's heavy. She's laying down on this okra. I got a lot of garden cleanup I gotta do. and I am getting a message that we got more storms coming. That's a heart. That's the early girl. See how many tomatoes? She has a lot of tomatoes. Even though I don't care for this tomato plant, this tomato, it really grows well. It really does. It really grows well. It's prolific. It grows. I've gotten a lot of tomatoes off of it. Paul Robeson over there, he has a lot of tomatoes, if you can see there on it. But early girl, it has produced well. Okay, so I'm in the garden now. Okay, this is that trellis that I built for the tomatoes. It was a straight line. Now that is pushed that way, the center stake, because it blew them this way. That's why I was saying I think the wind came from that direction, from that way. But they're laying over. These are the peppers. See, their stake is stakes are laying. This Lesia is laying down. Trying to get it down, back down. This bed doesn't have any hardwood cloth in it. But the winds are getting up again, because this, I don't know if it's going to be as bad, but it's more winds coming. But these are laying down. This one has totally fallen over. These are not producing well anyway, but I just hate this has happened to them. But that trellis, I think what I'm going to use next year is that pipe. I can't think of the name of it. Conduit pipe, or whatever. It's conduit something. I'm going to use it next year because it won't be in like this PVC pipe I have up here. Remember the lima beans that was growing up on this cattle panel that we had on that stake and that stake? Well, it fell over, and there it is. All my lima beans right here on the ground on this cattle panel. I mean, it's a lot of them. It's not any airflow. But it's only like, I put 9 beans per plant, per pot. So I have 2 pots. There's only 19 beans out here growing. And it's growing like this. I knew it was going to be like this because my sister planted a whole pack of them last year and it just grew all over the place. But there's no airflow in this. So the wind blew it down yesterday. Blew it down. There is a tomato plant under there. Back in that pot right there. It's a tomato plant. And so there's one of the straps that zip ties that was holding it up popped all the way over here. So we just have to get out here and get this back up. Everything is kind of like dying back. had not harvested anything off of these yet. They are just flat. I don't know. Haven't got any to get any beans inside of it. That's when you harvest the lima beans, is when there are beans inside of it. Melons are okay. They're all okay. I think I have, it looks like it's a couple cantaloupes that probably should be harvested. If I wait, I don't wanna. I'm out here, I ain't got my boots on, and I ain't got my hoe. This one just come off the vine. It's ready. I just harvested one yesterday. Let me see about this one. Take it in. It's a little one right here. It just popped off the vine too. So out of all the wind destruction we've had, there's still some good that come out of the garden. Somebody is barbecuing and it smells good. Okay, you all, so things happen. Storms come and can destroy your garden. It can kind of damage your garden, kind of mess it up and all that. But it's okay. You know, you just either clean up and keep going or clean up and start over. It's whatever. Just don't ever give up though. It can be heartbreaking, but you know, just keep going. It'll be okay. And even though you have destruction sometimes, there's still good in the garden. There's still peace in the garden, still food in the garden. So I'm not gonna worry about it. Those cucumbers yesterday, I started to take those out and I didn't. And so maybe it's just God saying, no, I want you to take them out of there. Take them out and get it ready for the fall. And so he's just helping me along with that. So that's what I'll do. I'll just take them out. And so still good in the garden. The melon patch is still doing well. And so I'm going to take my little melons right over here and take them in the house. And that's just all I'm going to do. I just wanted to let you all see what has happened. The skies are looking pretty cloudy, and I'm getting messages having some more bad weather coming in. And so you all, you stay safe, you stay well, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye. So Here's the storm again today. It's coming from that same direction, I think, because those trees are leaning this way. Look at that. That's the garden. That big, huge tree. We could be sitting in our den, and when these storms come through, the sticks and limbs and stuff fly out of that tree into the house. I'm going in. This wind, I'll tell you, wind is powerful. If y'all having these storms, y'all be careful. Stay in the house.